is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today is the WIP Caddy Wednesday video, and that is where I get to showcase all the beautiful things that you guys are working on and show you what I'm working on. And actually, you know, I have a few things in, you know, being tested and things like that. But as of right now, I have my WIP cart right here. You can see that's my granny on my WIP cart. But I'm actually only working on one thing right now, and that's because my grandson Knox, which you guys have gone through this whole journey with me, with him, with my daughter being pregnant, first finding out she was pregnant, and now the little boy is turning 3 on my birthday. We share a birthday. But anyway, his party is going to be this Saturday. So I am making him, I made Buzz Lightyear. But here's what's funny. Nothing ever works out the same with me. So I don't know if it's just the pattern. I did not look to see how many rounds they each have, but I'm working on Woody. And I think the head is okay, except that it's larger than Buzz. So I don't know. Is he just supposed to be a bigger character? You know, now that I think about it, I think he is bigger than Buzz. So it could be why, but he's not that much bigger. I'm working on his body now, and this is what I have so far. And I'm not sure to see how many rows. I think this may be, I'm on row 13, and so there are 18 rows. So it's telling me to stuff, and so I just stuffed. So rows 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, they're going to be the last rows. And then, so his head will come up here. So I guess it's not going to be too bad, but he is going to be larger than Buzz. There he is. See, their bodies seem pretty similar. That's why I'm surprised Woody's head is so much larger. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. And I would love, well, one reason why I'm working so hard on this, getting this done, not just because I want it done for his birthday, but I want Jesse done for his birthday too. Now, on their picture here, she does not come with the pigtails, so I'm going to try and make my own pigtails. But this is the pattern that I'm working off of. And Buzz, where's he at? Yeah, I guess he is a little smaller. There he is with Jesse. So, but this is the one that I'm working on right now. Aren't they cute? But yeah, I'm going to try to add some little pigtails to her if I can get done. I have my husband's brother from out of town, from Georgia, is visiting for a few days, and so I'm not really sure how much crocheting I'm going to get done, because I'll probably be doing a lot of entertaining with my husband. So, but that's going to be fun, and I believe I may have Knox over in the process of all this too this week, and getting my oil changed on my car Thursday. So yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm even going to get him done. So I hope I do. That's why I'm trying to work on it right now. As you can see, I'm a little dressed. We are heading out in about an hour. And so before I head out, I wanted to jump on here and kind of talk to you guys a little bit and show you what I'm up to. But yeah, Buzz and Woody. And let's see, the hook that I'm using is a 2.0, and I don't think they call for a 2.0. I think theirs might be bigger hook, but I think they use maybe a smaller yarn than me. Let's see. Well, it says hook size number 2 and number 3, and I'm using the 2. And their yarn, I mean their yarn, I guess I'll need to look it up, but it's Drop Saffron and Eliza Cotton Gold, and then Drops I Love You. Those are the ones that they used. And so I'm not really sure if that's a medium 4 weight or if that is a DK weight. Don't know. But I just used what I knew that I had the most colors to pick from. But let's see. You probably also want to know what this pattern is. My daughter bought this off of Etsy for me to make a couple months ago. But it says Instagram at __ knit toys. And it looks like it's Tatiana Medvedeva. So if that's the Etsy one, it's right there. So you may want to screenshot that if you're interested. But yeah, he loves Buzz and Woody, and he loves the trolls. Oh my goodness. So I guess I'm going to have to make the trolls, or at least maybe 2 of them, a boy and a girl. And I think that'll be fun. I'm looking forward to that. I'm actually looking forward to doing a doll outfit in that. So I've got to do both. But yeah, so I thought I'd just kind of come on here and crochet a little bit and talk. Trying to think if there's anything interesting going on in my life. It's so busy all the time, but I don't know if it's interesting. I don't know if you guys would think that it's interesting, but anyway. I know I have the 2 patterns coming out this year in Crochet Foundry, and I don't think they're changing the name, by the way. I thought that they were, but I don't think they are. The last email I got from them was still being under Crochet Foundry, so I'm assuming that's, you know, they're keeping that name. And then I'm looking forward to the Crochet World. That's gonna be cool. And the Crochet Foundry, I've already sent that pattern to them. And the Crochet World, I've got to get that made up. So that's going to be next on my list as soon as I can get the birthday gifts out of the way. I've got to take care of that. And then the other thing is, oh yeah, I want to do some pillows for the grandkids. And, you know, kind of like I did the love pillow. I want to kind of do it like that, except put their, instead of love, like put their name on there. And so the only thing is, if I do that and I do a tutorial, that means I've got to figure out how to do the whole alphabet in the same size, where all the letters are the same size. And so honestly, I don't have time for that. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do as far as that's concerned. I don't know. Anyway, problems, right? So, but yeah, that's one thing I want to do, is make all the grands. I may just make it like for their birthday. I think that, I mean, not the birthday, but for like for Christmas, give them all a pillow. One of my goals is to make a blanket for them. So I don't know how that's going to go. I still would like to do that. So I'm on round 14 on this. Don't like much and I'm done. Except that this row here, I'm having to count. So I can't exactly talk and count at the same time, because I have to do 6 single crochets and then a decrease. 6 single crochets and then a decrease. So if I get a little quiet, you know what I'm doing. Yeah, I told you about my car. I've got to take care of that Thursday. But yeah, I'm going to have a house full tomorrow. His brother's going to come by, and then Hugh's 2 kids, and the youngest one is engaged, so she'll be coming, and then the oldest son is married, and so his wife will be coming. They're the one that has Ollie, and she's pregnant, so we're going to have another grandchild. That's exciting. And then hopefully my daughter will come. She was an ICU nurse at our hospital here in North Little Rock, and so hopefully she can come when she gets off work. And I may have Knox with me already, so I'm not sure if she'll have Charlie Mae, if she'll swing by and pick Charlie Mae up or not, or if we'll go get Charlie Mae and have her here already. I'm not really sure. But yeah, gonna have a big party here Tuesday night, or a big get together, not a party, but just a get together. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing, guys. Very boring. Just crocheting on this little man, getting him done. So how about we just take a look and see what you guys are up to, because like I said, this is all I'm really doing for the next couple of days, and I'm going to try and squeeze it in. Let's go ahead and see all the beautiful projects that you guys are working on. Okay, so here we have Patsy. She says the second shelf is the granny square baby blanket in pink, gray, and white. The bottom shelf is a pattern for her doll for Easter, getting the yarn tomorrow. And she says that it is an Adoring Doll Clothes bunny pattern, and I thank you so much. You're going to love that pattern, Patsy. The white basket is a granny square blanket in pink and white, and the bottom picture is a baby blanket done except to attach the appliques. And for everyone to have a blessed day. Well, everything is beautiful, Patsy. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Okay, here we have Cheryl's project. This is one of the sweaters, and she says she's 3/4 done. And Cheryl, it is beautiful, and I thank you so much for working one of my patterns. Alrighty, you guys are working on some beautiful stuff, and we appreciate you guys sharing with us what you have on your carts and your WIP spaces and stuff. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and read our By Still Waters. And let's see, find my bookmark here. Let's see, the perils of the journey. Because you are my help, I sing in the shadow of your wings. I cling to you, your right hand upholds me. That's Psalm 63, 7, and 8. If you've ever been a hiker for long, you know there are perils with this rigorous pastime. You might discover slippery steps next to a rock face and a cliff below that plummets to the ocean. Or a boardwalk that seems way too narrow as it passes over a wild terrain. Or a bridge that swings precariously over a canyon. When your heart beats like a bongo, your palms go clammy, and you think you're not going to make it, you tend to cling to something, right? A railing on the boardwalk or bridge, a rope along the bluff, or we drop down and latch onto the very ground itself. Sounds good when discussing hiking, but when it comes to this perilous life, we tend to cling to what can't even steady us, let alone keep us upright. The list of things humans latch onto when they are filled with fear is as long and creative as it is useless. The only one worth cleaving to is Christ. Psalm says he will uphold us as we cling to him, and that because of his help, we can actually sing in the shadow of his wings. Clinging was never so real and never felt so good. Praise you, God, for your promises as we press forward on this perilous journey. Amen. Oh, that was nice. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials and patterns and stuff that I have for you guys. I look forward to doing that. Matter of fact, I totally 100% enjoy it. I don't just look forward to it. I love it. And I'm really glad that you guys do too. Well, that's all that I have for this video. Like I said, I'm just going to keep working on Woody, and hopefully I'll be able to get Jessie in. And yeah, fixing to head out to go eat some Mexican food in about an hour and hang out with family for the rest of the evening. So I will see you guys. Oh yeah, just remember to live life and to have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.